There are many kinds of animals, reptiles, birds, fish and mammals. If you want to learn about them, let's listen to the students.
Koalas are herbivore. They eat plant and grass. They always sleep. They have no stress.
Crocodiles are carnivores. They eat only meat. They have strong shells and sharp teeth.
Snakes are reptiles. They are poisonous. They can harm you. They are dangerous.
All birds have feathers, big and wings. They can fly and also can sing. Polar bears are cute. They live in Arctic. They are endangered because of global warming.
There were not a bird. They became extinct. People stole their eggs. I can't understand it. Whales are the biggest mammals. They live in oceans. People hunt them. Let's take precautions.
Tigers belong to cat family. They have short claws. I have a cat at my home. It has glory paws.
Kangaroos can sound like a boxing coach. They carry their babies in their pouch.
Elephants are animals just like the shark. They have got a tail, trunk, and tusks.
What a friendly animals. Look at these dolphins. They jump in the sea and shake their fins.
Zebras are some animals, but for lions they are gray. We can call them striped donkey.
Pandas are pretty, but they are endangered. We should protect them, prevent extinctions.
Camels have humps. They live in desert. They share this habitat with the lizard.
Lions have mane. They always roar. You can find me here if you wonder more.
There is an in the park. Up in the sky, there is a storm. I have got to go. It's 4 o'clock.